What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Rebuilding 2012 Porsche Carrera. We got this car from Copart with a front end collision. If you guys haven't seen part 1 through 3, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check it out and be up to date. Live auction, repairing this car and all the way to this point. So in this video, part 4, we're gonna start doing the body work and get this car over to the paint department and start putting this car back together. And now let's get to work. So right now I'm gonna remove the front bumper. We just did a quick test fit, see how everything aligns. I gotta do minor body work on the fender, gotta do minor body work on the pillar. Take this door apart, we gotta paint this door, there's minor scratches. We're gonna paint the hood, blend this fender, and obviously paint the bumper. So let's start taking everything apart and start working. Okay, let's open the hood, remove the bumper. Just take the fender off. Next, we're gonna put a sealer right here, everywhere around the bottom, pretty much exactly how the factory was. We'll do everything the same. Put it right here, and then we could start painting this, installing reinforcement, AC lines, and all that good stuff. So next, I gotta send this down all the way to the bare metal. So now we got our machine ready to go and pop this out. Find where the most damage is, right here. Just one little pull and one more pull right here. And that's it, nice and straight. So now I'll put a little bit of body filler and it's ready to go. So like I said, best machine ever. It'll save you lots of time, and plus such a weird angle right here that you can't even use a dent master, you know, they can't really get in there. And with the glue pull, it's gonna be too hard. It's too thick of a metal. Best thing ever, all their information down in the description. So next we're gonna sand this down a little bit. That's it. Next, we're gonna apply a little bit of body filler and we're good to go. Windshield got removed earlier today, so right now I'm gonna start taking the door apart because we're gonna be blending this door. So I want to remove mirror, molding, and door handle. We're gonna blend the door, paint this upper piece, and then we're gonna blend this fender as well, and obviously paint the hood. So let's start taking the door apart and we'll go from there. Then to get to the door handle, you gotta remove this cover, and the door handle is right there. Porsche is painted and ready to go. So now we can start putting everything back together. I'm gonna start with this door. I'm gonna put the door together first thing, install the door handle, molding, mirror, and then door panel. Gotta install the hinges, and I could install the fenders, hood, and pretty much wrap up the front end. Just put the door together, everything is working properly. Opens up. Got the car on quick jacks. Right now I'm gonna remove both wheels, and I gotta remove this fender as well so I could install the hood hinges, and then we'll start piecing everything back together. So the reason why I installed the hood first, because I have access to the bolts right here, and same on the other side. So I wanted to align the hood properly so it closes very soft and easy, and boom. So now the hood is aligned. Now we could start working on the fenders. Next, I'm gonna start putting the front bumper together, and this is GT3 bumper, and we got all the grills and all that stuff. Bumper came with all that stuff, so very nice. This is an aftermarket bumper, so they send us everything. So we'll see once we install. Fitment should be pretty good. Just installed all the grills, everything lining up very nice, and actually it looks really good for aftermarket bumper. This grill looks pretty good as well. Usually on the GT3 this is a see-through, and I like that they did this. Pretty much covers the whole back end, so you can't see anything on the inside. So next we're gonna start installing the fog lights, and lucky our bumper survived. It got damaged right in the middle, right here and right here, but all the fog lights, everything survived. So we got lucky on that. This fog light is good. Little scrape right here, but not a big deal. We're gonna re-clear this one and install that one for now. And I got my washer nozzles, all my wire harness and all that good stuff. So very important. Probably saved myself over 600 bucks, maybe 7. Let's continue transferring whatever we can on the new bumper. I got major progress on the Porsche, almost finished, just waiting for a few more parts, and let me show you exactly what I'm waiting for. So I installed both fenders, I installed the reinforcement, all the lock mechanism, I installed the frunk, everything is good. So Front closes no problem. So the only thing I'm waiting for, the GT3 air ducts, since we're installing the bumper, the old ones doesn't work, so I got a new ones left and a right. Then I'm waiting for the headlight bracket. I gotta get the gas door and the housing to hold this. And then for the final, I put the bumper together. It's all finished, looking amazing. The only thing, I gotta re-clear the fog light. As you guys could see, it got some scratches. So I'm gonna send this down and re-clear it, and it's gonna look like brand new. And then we could install the bumper. So I should get all those pieces in a few days. Once everything arrives, we'll install everything and get this thing wrapped up. Just put the bumper completely together, so now we're ready to start installing. But check out how nice this bumper looks. Wow, gonna be such a big difference. So we're all set, ready to start installing. And same up here, everything is installed and ready to go. We recharge the AC. Just installed the windshield, so we're all finished with the windshield. Car is pretty much ready to go. The only thing we're gonna do next, oil change and reset everything, and that's it. Car is ready for wash, detail, and delivery. Porsche is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Came out beautiful, like nothing happened. Customer is on his way to come pick up his beautiful car, ready for the weekend. We're officially done with this build. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next build. До свидания! Another happy customer. That's what we like to see.